This is a lesson on income tax. Anyone who earns an income must pay an income tax. The tax is not on the whole income. A sum of money called reliefs is deducted, and the remaining sum is called the chargeable income. For example, a man earned an annual income of $100,000. His reliefs are $3,000 for personal relief, for a non-working wife relief $2,000, and the child relief is $2,000. His CPF is 40% of his annual income, which is $40,000, and his chargeable income is $100,000, subtracted away all the reliefs to give $53,000. The income tax on the chargeable income is then determined by making a reference to a table of values. Now let us take a look at the table of values. Remember that his chargeable income is $53,000. We first look for the nearest value less than $53,000. That is the first $40,000. And the tax for $40,000 is $550. Next, we subtract away the $40,000 to give $13,000, and this remaining sum comes after the next value on the next, so the $13,000 is inside this amount, and the $13,000 is charged at 7%. Therefore, his total income tax is $550 for the $40,000 plus 7% of $13,000, which gives a total of $1,460. We'll now look at the next example. In this example, we are to calculate the tax payable for a chargeable income of $115,000. Once again, we look for the nearest value that is just under $115,000. It cannot be this, therefore it is $80,000. So on the first $80,000, and this $80,000 is taxed at $3,350. The remaining amount, which is $115,000, subtract away $80,000 to give us $35,000, and this comes after the $80,000, which is taxed at 11.5%. And 11.5% of 35,000 is $4,025, which works out to be $7,375, and that is his income tax. We'll now look at another example. In this case, we have Ronnie is 36 years old and earned a gross annual income of $60,000. And we want to calculate his income tax if he's entitled to personal and wife who is not working, 3 children, and CPF contributions. His personal relief is charged at 3,000, wife relief 2,000, child relief is 2,000 per child, and CPF is 40% of the annual income. So we first calculate the CPF, which is 40% of his annual income, which is 60,000, and this gives us $24,000. So his total reliefs is 3,000 plus 2,000 for the wife, and for 3 children is 3 times 2,000 plus his CPF 24,000, and this gives us a total of $35,000. Therefore, his chargeable income is 60,000 minus 35,000, which is $25,000. His total chargeable is 25,000, and we look for the first value under 25,000, that is 20,000. So the first 20,000, and for 20,000 there is no tax, is 0. Then on the next, so the next 5,000 is just under the 20,000, so it's within here. It's charged at 2%. So 2% of the 5,000 is just $100. So his income tax is $100. This completes the lesson on income tax. Thank you very much.